Hello, and today we are working on atomic theory timeline. 430 BC, Democritus proposed the first idea of the atom. Substance is made of tiny, indestructible, invisible particles called atomos. Destroyed, only rearranged. Lavoisier, 1788. Law of conservation of mass. Matter cannot be created or destroyed, only rearranged. 1794. Proust. Law of defined proportions. A pure substance will always contain the same elements combined in the same proportion by mass. Small whole numbers. Gay Lussac, 1804. Law of combining volumes at constant temperatures and pressure volumes of reacting gases and gaseous products are in the ratio of small whole numbers. 1810 to 1811. John Dalton. Law of multiple proportions, same two elements combined in different compounds. Ratio of first element is fixed while the second element varies. Proposed first atomic theory. 1. All matter is made of tiny invisible atoms. 2. Atoms of the same element are the same atoms. Are the same. Atoms of different elements are different. Atoms combined in whole number ratios to form compounds. Amedeo Avogadro, 1811. Avogadro's hypothesis. Equal volumes of gases under the same conditions have the same number of particles. 1895. Wilhelm Röntgen discovered X-rays. Henry Becquerel, 1896, discovered that uranium ores emit radiation resembling X-rays that exposed film. 1897, J.J. Thomson used cathode rays to discover the electron, measured the bending of rays to determine charge to mass ratio of the electron. Modified cathode ray tubes were used to discover the positive change in proton. Plum pudding. Max Planck, 1900. Quantum theory. Energy is not emitted constantly, but in small packages called quantum. 1905. Albert Einstein. Proteelectric effect. When light of a certain frequency shines on metal, electrons are emitted. Ernest Rutherford, 1911. Studied substances, especially alpha particles, conducted gold foil experiment. He bombarded with gold foil with alpha particles. Most particles passed through the foil, but some were deflected. He concluded the atom is mostly empty space, with a small positive nucleus core. 1911. Robert Millikan performed oil drop experiment which determined the charge of electrons as negative. Henry Mosel, 1913, used X-ray experiments to discover the atomic number of an element. 1913. Niels Bohr improved upon the atomic model by trying to answer the question, why aren't electrons pulled into the nucleus? Electrons travel in different energy levels without radiating energy. Energy increases as distance from nucleus increases. Electrons lose energy by dropping energy levels. 1923. De Broglie's hypothesis. If waves can behave like particles, then particles can behave like waves.